guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. If you're new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle related video every week. For today's video, I'm gonna share you guys my April favorites. Definitely fashion, beauty, lifestyle item I really enjoyed for this month. So let's get started. The first thing is definitely a fashion item. I just wanna tell you guys that I didn't shop a lot for this month, to be honest, so I wanna reintroduce this bad boy. This fake leather jacket, I got it from Guess. I got this on Black Friday. Yeah, but it was not on sale, it was a new item. You know, I'm a big fan of a leather jacket, but the reason why I really love this leather jacket, you can see there's a lace detail here. And I really like short jacket. Almost all my jackets are really short, like not cropped but short, because I'm a shorty, so I want to look taller. But it's kind of long, although it's extra small. And there's a belt here, so I can tie at the waist, so it makes me look slimmer. Although this jacket is not too tight and short. Why I introduced this jacket again is there's a fur trimming on this jacket, so I can wear it early winter. But it's getting warmer here in Canada, so I took it off. I just feel like I wear new clothing, I feel really refreshed, although I used to wear it a lot. So I want to reintroduce that, because sometimes I really feel pressure like showing new items every single video, but that's not affordable and realistic. So yeah, it looks totally different without that fur trimming, so I really enjoy wearing this one. Yeah, I didn't buy many clothing, but I got some new beauty products, so I want to share you guys some of them. The first one is this e.l.f. eyebrow kit. The color is light. Actually, I really like to use pencil type of eyebrow color, but I used up so quickly. Like I used up like for 2 weeks, because I don't have any eyebrow. My eyebrow look really like light. I just need them. They are just my necessary item. So I changed it from pencil type to kind of powder type, but it's actually not powder type. I love the kit. It looks expensive, although it's not. It's $7. I know this eyebrow kit is quite popular. When I open it, there's a small mirror and there's a small brush kind of thingy here. And there's a 2 color. I got a light color, so the color is light. I'm not a big fan of like dark color eyebrow, so I chose this color. When I first got it, it looks like a powder type, but it's not. It's like a gel type, this color, and this is powder type. I feel like it's really affordable eyebrow kit, because I told you guys I use that every single day. I feel like it could last longer than pencil type, and I love this case a lot. It's really sturdy, because I drop beauty products a lot. The next beauty product I want to share is this lipstick. I used my pink color lipstick. I love to switch from coral to pink every single day. Sometimes I do coral makeup, sometimes I do pink base makeup. That just depends on my mood. But this is, I'm really into like pink base makeup. So I got this Revlon lipstick. I wear that right now. It's pink base cream type of lipstick. But actually on my lips it doesn't look like pink, it looks like a little bit red, and it goes well with my other eyeshadow, and it's really creamy, so it's easy to apply on my lips and easy to wash off too. I also love to use lip gloss after using it to make it look more glossy. And the name of this lipstick is Love That Pink. I'm a big fan of Revlon's lipstick because they are easy to apply and affordable. I really want to get a mauve color lipstick next month. If you guys know any good mauve lipstick, just let me know. Let's jump into lifestyle item. The first one is this water bottle. I'm a big fan of drinking a lot of water in the morning, because it makes me energized and I feel really refreshed whenever I drink a lot of water. I'm a coffee person, so that makes me a little like dry, you know what I mean, about my skin, about my body. So when I wake up, I just go straight to this water bottle to drink some water. I just make that habit, like when I wake up, just drink water automatically. So this bad boy helps me to drink more water. Before getting this water bottle, I just use, you know, plastic water bottle. You know, that's not good for my health. There could be some bacteria in the water. I got this from Leopard. That's a Canadian grocery brand. It was around $18. The reason why I love it, you know, there is a strap here, so I don't have to worry about losing lid like this. I get easily lost many things, especially lid, so it prevents that. So it makes me hydrate, make me healthy. Yep. The last thing I want to share is podcast. If you guys follow my vlogs, I really enjoy these days listening to podcasts. I'm a big fan of self-help person. If you are not, that's fine, but I really like that because it makes me feel like I do something good for myself. Because I always believe that if I be the best version of myself, they're also good for myself, they're also good to others. So I think it's not a luxury or selfish thing. I feel like that's our job. So these days I'm listening to the life coach school. In this podcast, you can get some information about organizing your mind to go somewhere you want to go in life. I mean, there are so many like good informations about making my life better. And the basic concept of the podcast is that our thoughts create emotions, emotions create to action, and action creates the result, and the result also creates our circumstances. I cannot afford to see a therapist or like getting a self-help coach, but I can get easily access to the podcast, and I just need my paper and pencil. I listen to podcasts while doing chores. You know, who doesn't like to improve their life? So I enjoy this podcast a lot. And if you guys know any other good podcast, just comment down below. I'm gonna check that. Anyway, these things are all I want to share for April. I hope you guys enjoy it, and comment down below what's your favorites for this month. And in April, I feel like there are some progression in my life, so that's not a big progression, but I'm really happy about that because I'm trying to be more grateful for small progression. Thanks for watching it again, and see you in my next video. Bye.